Welcome students to your new science class. So now those who are present in the class, please write or type P for yourself. Please type P for your class. Come on, everyone, write down P, okay, for present in this session in your science class. Okay. Those who are joining later on also, please type P for your class. Very good. So attendance, I hope everyone has given P and it's complete. So let's start with our science class. Okay. So students, first of all, we will discuss about the syllabus of science in KG class. So all of you, please note down term 1 syllabus of science. Term 1 syllabus of science. So term 1 already includes PT1, as we all know. So first 3 chapters, that is all about me, parts of the body and our food, which we have completed for our PT1, will include in term 1 syllabus also. So we are having from page number 3 to page number 23. Page number 3 to page number 23. This is your syllabus of science, whereas lesson 1, here comes lesson 1 to lesson 7. Lesson 1 to lesson 7, page number 3 to page number 23. Okay, so we are having all about me, parts of our body, parts of the body, our food, our clothes, clean, fit and healthy, meet my family and our home. These are the chapters, 7 chapters. These are the 7 chapters of your science included in term 1. This also I will upload on ePortal. Your term 1 syllabus will be uploaded on ePortal, and so please, if you are having any technical problems, don't worry, you can see your syllabus on ePortal also. Okay, very nice. So let us start with the new part, that is, today I am going to write question and I am going to give you 2 options and you will tell me which one is correct. Okay, so let's start. Everyone has noted term 1 syllabus, I hope so, right? Yes. So I am rubbing the board. Here comes our heading, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Right? Choose the correct answer. So here comes our first one. We should wear dirty clothes. We should wear dirty clothes. So your options are A, true, and B, false. You can note it down also. If you want to write it down in your copy, you can do that one also. Okay. So we are giving two options. You have to choose any one. We should wear dirty clothes. Now students, you tell me, we should wear dirty clothes or not? So I am receiving lots of answers. Very good. And each and every answer is correct. Yes, we should wear dirty clothes is a false statement. Is a false statement, because we should wear what type of clothes? Now let us rectify the answer. We should wear what type of clothes? All of you tell me. Come on, come on, come on, fast, fast, fast. We should wear, yes, very good Ranthana, it's option B, false. So now you tell me, what type of clothes we should wear? Come on, come on. We will rectify the answer. We will make the answer correct. So, yes, that's very nice. Shrestha has given the first answer, Priyam second. So, yes, we should wear neat and clean clothes. We should wear every day neat and clean clothes. Very good. So, now let us go for the second question. Number 2. Number 2. Which one is a leafy vegetable? Which one is a leafy vegetable? Now, which one is the leafy vegetable? We have to find it out. So, option A I am giving it as, and option B I am giving so one is spinach and another is pumpkin. One is spinach and another is pumpkin. Okay, I hope your problem has been solved. Right? Yes, Srijan, I hope your problem has been solved. So, our option A, spinach. So, we are going to put a tick on spinach, right? Yes. And pumpkin is the wrong one. It is not a leafy vegetable. So, let's go for question number C or question number 3. Question number 3. So, here comes our third question, that is, farmer grow crops. So, who grow crops? Farmer. And I am getting all the answers and each and every answer is correct. Very good. Outstanding. These are real champions. Yes. So, these are all BMS champions. So, they cannot be wrong. Farmer grow crops, that is a correct statement. If I tell you that plumber grow crops, is it true? Is it true? Plumber grow crops. Yes or no? Yes. Very good, Shamanta. Plumber repairs our pipes and taps. So, we already have learned these things in our helping. Yes, friends. chapter that was discussed in English, right, in our previous videos, right? Very good. Now let's go for the next one, and that is number 4. We wear cotton clothes in dash season. So if I give you the option excuse me, and B, if I give you the option, so which is going to be the correct one? Yes. So I am getting the first answer from Shyama Prabhu, second from, let me see, all are giving PB. What is this PB, beta? I think P has been typed by mistake. 4B it may be. So due to your swift work, okay. So all has given the correct answer. And after Shyama Prabhu, that was Sreshtha, Sanstita, Siddharth, Ashmita, Rudraditya, Muyuk, Priyam, Shamantak. Everyone has given the Hanifa and Prithviraj. Everyone has given the correct answer. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Now let us go for the next one. That is the 5th one. What is going to be the correct answer? My parents' daughter is my dash. Siddharth, please rectify your spelling. Otherwise, everything is fine. Rectify your spelling, Siddharth. Yes, now it's perfect. Yes, so your parents' daughter is your sister, not son. Your parents' daughter is your sister. So students, these are the 5 optional questions. Choose the correct one from both, and you have done it perfectly. So today I conclude my class over here, and I will be back again with a new class tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.